So there are lots of clinical trials that are run in myeloma, especially upfront, in non-transplant and transplant eligible patients. It would take too long to describe in details each trial from each country, but in general, the different approaches that have been covered by these different clinical trials are either to look for a quadruplet-based combination versus a triplet-based, either initially as induction, consolidation, or later on as a maintenance approach. For the maintenance approach, it's more like 1 versus 2 drugs, especially looking at the addition of either an IMiD and a PI, or a monoclonal antibody with therapeutic use, like elotuzumab for SLAMF7 targeting, or daratumumab for CD38 targeting. So that's one aspect of the clinical trials. New developments and use of novel agent in a better combined approach. The other aspect of clinical trials that has run, especially in the UK and in the future in France, but it will be developed in many countries by definition, is a response-adjusted, a response-based clinical trial where a patient starts with a given regimen, and depending on depth of response, they will change or not the regimens in an attempt to try to better control the clones that over treatments develop refractory behaviors. So 2 different types of clinical trials, but interestingly, most of the clinicals are run around these 2 big concepts, where we think in 2017 it's very important to get answers to. So that's for the IMW clinical trials kind of landscape overview that we presented at IMW in India.